This is how I'm going to get them. Sometimes you have to resort to desperate measures to get what you want. So this is a 3D printer designed for kids. I've always thought 3D printing was kind of magical. Turning whatever's in your head into real life objects. And I want to share that with my kids.
Start printing.
Hi, I'm James. And this is Rising 8 Minis. I've got two big goals in life. To be an amazing dad, and to spend some time having fun in this incredible hobby of ours. So when the folks at Gearby reached out with the offer of a kid-friendly 3D printer, I saw the perfect opportunity to merge the two. Anyone with young kids knows that introducing them to the world of grimdark can be tricky. Especially when your kids are obsessed with unicorns and rainbow fairies. And dinosaurs. So here's my plan. It's all well and good me just printing models for them, but that's really boring. What I need to do is get them involved right from the start. And right out of the gate, that was really easy with this printer. It just looks fun. It's bright colours and it's small, like nothing they've ever seen. What do you think, girls?
Yeah!
It comes pre-assembled and preloaded with Filament. Plug it in, connect it to your Wi-Fi network, download the app, and that's it. You're good to go. My kids in particular love any excuse to get near a phone, so the fact that this printer is entirely app-driven is actually a great selling point. I would have liked a USB port, but my kids don't care. Comes with loads of fun models pre-built into the app. All you need to do is load them up, scale them appropriately, and then hit print. With a bit of basic supervision, even my 6-year-old could manage this on her own. Phase 1.
A great success!
Now, as magical as 3D printing is, the actual process of it is still pretty boring.
What is it printing?
Particularly for the littlest. Don't get me wrong, that first 30 seconds is all exciting as the print head begins to move around and trace out the boundaries, but after that, there's no point trying to force it. It's a pretty boring process, so what we did instead was choose our models before bed and then left it running overnight. Then the challenge became, can you get to the printer before they do? Challenge not accepted. This is what we've printed so far. The highlight for me, I think, are printing these two dinosaurs, which my 8-year-old managed to make as counters for her own board game. Proud parent moment. Well done. You might have created a monster just like you. I hope you're proud of yourself. I am actually. Kids are selfish. If you want to make something interesting to them, you've got to make it about them. The Kokoni has a really interesting way of doing this. AI software hard baked in. It's breathtakingly simple to achieve. Just take a photo of yourself, upload it into the app, choose Make 3D Character, and the app will scan it and generate a 3D image in under a minute. Why, I hear you say? Well, that's a very good question. But it does work pretty well. I made 3D likenesses of both the girls. If you've stuck with me this far, thanks. You're probably ready for my opinion now. But before we do that, I want to hear yours. Let me know in the comments below if this is something you're even interested in, and if maybe you'd buy it for your kids. So the EC2 is pitched as a plug-and-play printer. It delivers on that. It's small, it's safe. The door on the front keeps little fingers away from hot bits,
Turn off.
and it's quiet. But it's also loaded with features, from hardware like the speedy print head and the onboard camera, to the software like the onboard AI. It's not thinking for itself, but it is very good at doing what it does. Character modelling makes realistic likenesses, although I tried a couple of times and couldn't get the scanning software to work. It's still in beta though. But best of all is the app. It's genuinely fantastic. From within the app, you can choose from over 2,000 models, select them, scale them, and print them, get tech support if you need it, watch tutorial videos, make simple CAD models and add those onto existing models, or simply use it to check in via that camera with your printer remotely. It's genuinely impressive. How much for all this wizardry? $269. But if you use the code LOVEKOKONI, then you'll get another 10% off. You can buy replacement filament for it, either as preloaded packs or on reels, or do like I did and just buy the reels from online and refill the spools yourself. If this is something you're into, you can check out all the links down below. And while you're down there, why not leave a comment and like on the video too? For me though, I'm more interested in phase 5 of the master plan.
You're very tough. but not as tough as me. I've always killed everyone I see. They could have just called for me. Ugh.
BB, do you like playing Warhammer?